Hey y'all, I'm at Walmart right now. I had to pick up some extra items that I did not have at the house, so I can go ahead and show you guys this very quick, simple, and easy, of course, delicious Alfredo sauce. So once I get home, we're gonna go on ahead and get this cracking. Alright y'all, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So here I have my butter melting. Now you can use as much butter as you like. I used half of a stick of butter and I put a whole onion in, and I chopped up, very finely chopped up, some garlic. So after I let that onion cook a little bit, I went on ahead and added that garlic in there, and once you start smelling those two together, it's time to continue with the cream cheese. Just drop that cream cheese in and just let it go on ahead and do what it do. Make for sure that it does melt and become very smooth before we go on to the next step. This is so simple and easy, and you guys are going to love it. Now I'm just putting a little bit of that garlic powder on there, and we're going to put a little salt, and we're going to put some pepper. Now if you got white pepper, you can use that, but I don't care about the color of the pepper, baby, as long as it works. Okay, and then I put some of that delicious, no, I'm just kidding, because it has no flavor, paprika. It's just for color, but it's not going to show up in here at all. It's just something I put in. Now once that get all smooth, go on ahead and put your heavy cream in. I use the whole container, and this is the small container of the Land O'Lakes heavy cream. So just put that whole thing in, and I did use the whole 8-ounce package of the cream cheese, and just put as much of the Parmesan in as you like. There is no rules to your Parmesan. You can even top it. Once you got everything done, you can go ahead and put some on top of your fettuccine Alfredo or whatever you are using the sauce for. You. Don't pay that no mind. But anyway, just mix it all up. And we are about done. We're finna get this broccoli all chopped up and clean, and we're just gonna add that in. Now do not cook your broccoli, okay? Leave it raw, okay? Al dente is what you want. You want a bite to your broccoli. Just make for sure that you do cut off all them extra stems, you know, because you just want the crowns of the broccoli. Look how smooth and delicious that is. Y'all ready? Who ready? Yes, I was ready. Toe it up. Now just drop your broccoli on up in there. Go ahead and stir that up, and guess what, y'all? We are done. That is a done deal. So choose whatever you want to eat with this. I'm out.